Good day everyone, here's our Math Olympiad challenge for today. And here's our question. What is the value of x and y given this equation? 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to y equals 1944, wherein x and y are both integers. Now, if you want to try this problem, you can pause this video. You have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now, let's answer this question together. Our goal in this question is to find the value of positive integers x and y such that 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to y equals 1944. Now, how are we going to answer this question? First thing to notice is to observe that x must be greater than y, because 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to y will give us 1944. And also take note that x and y are both integers. Therefore, we can introduce another variable n such that y plus n must be equal to x. And now, take note that x, y, and n are all integers. And now, let's replace this x with y plus n. Now at this point, let's recall some laws of exponent. If we have b raised to p plus q, it is equivalent to b raised to p times b raised to q. Therefore, 3 raised to y plus n can be written as 3 raised to y times 3 raised to n. Now, 3 raised to y is common, so we can factor out 3 raised to y. This will give us 3 raised to y multiplied by 3 raised to n minus 1. Now, let's consider the prime factorization of 1944. The reason is, the left-hand side of our equation is a product of two positive integers. So now, 1944 can be written as 3 raised to 5 times 2 raised to 3. Comparing the terms on the left-hand side to the right-hand side, we can easily say that 3 raised to y must be compared to 3 raised to 5, and 3 raised to n minus 1 must be compared with 2 raised to 3, because 3 raised to n minus 1 is definitely an even number, and 2 raised to any number is still an even number. Now, let's solve for the value of y given the first equation. So, 3 raised to y equals 3 raised to 5, definitely y equals to 5. Now, on the second equation, 2 raised to 3 is just 8. Add 1 on both sides. Now, 9 can be written as 3 raised to 2. Therefore, we can say that n must be equal to 2. Now, we know the value of y, which is 5, and we know the value of n, which is 2. Therefore, the value of x must be 5 plus 2, or simply 5 plus 2 will give us 7. Therefore, the value of x and the value of y given this equation, 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to y equals 1944, is simply x equals to 7 and y must be 5. And as always, we are done.